Okay, we have our beloved director, Professor B. Kamakoti in the house. Please give a big round of applause. வணக்கம். Not enough. Thank you. So friends, you are all students for 4 years or 5 years, but you will be alumni forever. So welcome to the alumni club, and that's the most important thing that can happen to both you and us. We have a 50,000 plus, now 55,000 plus strong alumni network spread across the world. If you want to go to Canada today, for example, and you want South Indian food on your arrival, we have alumni who can take care of it. You go to Tanzania, there we can have alumni of us. Go to Nepal, any country, we have alumni who are basically from IIT Madras, who remembers IIT Madras, and that is the global network in which you are all going to enter. Congratulations for that. The pride of IIT Madras, one of the important feathers in our cap, has been our alumni network. Lot of great things have happened because of the initiatives of the alumni. Let me just quote a couple of examples today. One is the Chris Gopalakrishnan Center for Brain Research. Chris has been one of our great contributors. Today we have a world-class center. It is the first of its kind in the world today, which is doing a segmentation of the human brain to that level of accuracy. And that is what we have achieved, and this is because of the initial great funding of one alumni like you. Similarly, if you look at the second important contribution, the Sudha Shankar block, the C5, I am sure in the next 10 to 15 years to come, we will have some of the biggest unicorns in the world who had their seat in the Nirman and the C5 building inside our campus. So such are some very interesting contributions by the alumni. In the next few months, the entire campus, we will be removing all the diesel buses and it will be having electric buses, very nice electric buses, romantic looking. Electric buses, again, it is again with a great contribution from our alumni network. The other thing that we will see in the coming year is a world-class sports center, completely built out of a new construction technology which is a prefab, where we are going to finish this record center within 3 months. And again, this is with a very generous contribution from our alumni network. So these are some of the important contributions that you can see today, and I am sure all of you will be part of this great network, and I am very happy that you are going to become part of it. Friends, we are also looking at very intricate participation of the alumni in our activities. Even in our Institute Investment Committee today, we have alumni representatives. There are a dual degree program in quantitative finance was just launched. There were alumni who participated. The first time alumni have participated in framing a syllabus for some of the courses in IIT Madras. So this is the level of alumni participation that we are going to bring in. We have already brought in and we will be continuing to use your experience and your precious time to do good for both the institute and for the society. We are now launching many rural interaction centers. The IIT Madras for All program, we have now launched. We had a target of 100 centers in this financial year. Friends, we have reached a target of 200 rural interaction centers in the last financial year. 100 of them in Tamil Nadu and 100 in Varanasi. I had a target in my mind of around 250 centers by the end of this financial year, that is 23-24, and I have upgraded it to 1,000 centers. And what happened here, let me give you an example, very simple example. Just by this interaction, there was a village called Ayyavadi, which is very far off from Chennai, a very rural village. There was no biology teacher. Through this network, we arranged a biology teacher in the month of February for the +2 examination that is to be conducted in April. A student there was scoring less than 20 out of 100, scored 91 out of 100 in biology and got into admission in a biotech course in Shastra University. This is the change that we are bringing into the society, and I am sure when we open up this, today we have requests from Gujarat, we have requests from Maharashtra, we have also requests from Andhra, and of course we want to spread it to multiple locations in the country. We will be requesting your help to come online for say 2 hours a year, and if you can just come and address the students, motivate them to take higher education in your mother tongue, for example in Telugu, in Malayalam, in Marathi, and encourage the students to take up higher education. Friends, today gross enrollment ratio has to become at least 50 by 2035. We are at 26 or 27 today. This will be a major impact, and if with all your help, if IIT Madras can achieve this, I think that is the biggest gift that we will give back to our nation. I am very happy today, and I wish all of you the very best in your career, and I wish all that not only that you will have a technically rewarding career, but you will also have a great role to play in building our nation as we are moving towards 2047. In building our nation as a technology superpower, I think you have a great role to play. All the best, and looking forward to having many, many more interactions with you. Thank you very much.